Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. The season is over. As you guys know, last year we had a flood. Um, so that water, about 32 feet down from my feet level, was about 4 feet high, so about 36 feet right here. So it was a major disaster for our area. Um, After that, we just did mobile blasting. We didn't really do powder coating because our shop was trashed. We had, if you follow our Facebook, we've been in the process of rebuilding our workbench and all that. So I actually completed it today. So I want to give you guys a heads up. And then here shortly over the next couple of weeks, we are going to start doing powder coating. We just have to get our mobile blasting system up and running. Make sure that's ready for the season. And then we'll start doing powder coating jobs. And of course, we'll start recording again. But to start with, our shop or our blast area is now here. Let me go the other way. Okay. So yeah, for our outside stuff, those are all sandbags for the next flood. Hopefully we won't never have one, but we hang parts from that for heavy stuff. These are old media that we used to have when we first started a few years ago. I'm gonna just start running it through our pop blasters outside. But we redid the outside. Looks a little different. We still have our blast area. We have our riding lawnmower, of course. We take that out before we blast. But we've set up the outside a little different. So the big changes for us, this is all basically new. We are getting rid of this because it is shitty during the winter. And we're gonna put a furnace there. We're gonna try that. But this beast, if you guys remember some of our old videos, I'll try to find pictures to put up in a corner right now. It's majorly different. We have cleats on the wall. All of our system is with these, and those are corner too. So you put them up. So if I get, and I'm like, okay, this is in a shitty place, I can just move it and put it where it's more useful to me. So if it was there, I mean, probably better to say if it was there, I'd just move it and put it closer to the, but I mean, we got that. We have holders for all of our stuff now, all of our paper, single holders for all of our small consumables. Those are magnets just to help with some of our singles that we do lure. These are some badass guys. They're waiting for war. A little gun stuff. But our plugs, now all of our plugs. So basically, if I'm going to be doing a plug job, I'll just move this and my knife thing probably up here. Send this up one. Then I have access to all these sizes, and then my caps, and then my screw ones. Yes, everybody needs in their shop blinker fluid. Gotta have headlight fluid. Without those, your life will be rough. So we built this. Let's see. 100-pound drawer rollers, I think they're called, or whatever. So we got 3 drawers. We got a 3-footer here, 2-footer, 3 drawers, 4-footer here, and then 3-footer, and then 2-footers, 3 drawers. The shelving we had up here was shitty, so this was made. Burnt it. As you see, the back is kind of busy. So when I did this, I just did slight burns. I let the wood tell me where it wanted to burn, and I burnt it how it wanted to be burnt. I could have done it all, because you got all your grooves through here, but I felt with the busy background, that would have just been too much. I even thought about even the cleats, not burning the cleats, but I did end up burning them just because they're parallel compared to the horizontal. No, sorry, horizontal compared to the parallel lines. Of course, our TV, so we can watch our stuff that the old lady gives me shit on. I'm not allowed to watch political stuff unless she's not around. Had this made. The Beast is my car. My daughter named my Challenger. Right there. The Beast, I even have the Beast on the outside. Instead of saying Dodge between the taillights, it says Beast between the taillights. So yeah, this is, oh yeah. You know, sometimes you have to have stuff, and hopefully the people that work for you can read. My wife got me those this winter. But yeah, we still have our bomb official. I think it's, I can't remember what war it is. It's a dummy bomb that they actually use for practice, and it actually was dropped. We got our stuff down here, getting it ready for blasting, of course. We have our chemicals down there, our hold tight, all that good stuff. Our normal tools down here. Out here we have our other chemicals, paint prep, this, acetone. So yeah, that's where we're at. So we're looking pretty good. Like I said, we just finished up today after the build out. I'm only here for 3 days. And Will, my buddy, is the one who did the building. It took 2 to 3 weeks to build out, and then I just polyed it all. I did, even though this is bare, I did put poly, or not poly, I think it is poly down. I did 3 sheets because this is a high traffic area, and yes, I know this scratches, but my idea is every winter when I'm done, I'm gonna go through, sand the whole thing, do 2 coats of poly, and if I do that, it'll be like this every spring. Buy 3 of these each year. It's like 120 bucks for these 3 sheets. And then I got my old work stuff here. This used to be the gun station. This is where we did all the gun work, painting it and all that. So the station here is 100% better than it used to be. So yeah, guys, again, I apologize for all the being incognito. Last year I did some 405. Okay, pissing me off. I think the last season was 4 that they had of No Prep Kings. The past 2 seasons haven't been on TV. If any of you guys watched the 405 No Prep Kings and there's a certain station it is on, let me know. But I think it's since 5 and we're in 7. I think 5, 6, and 7 was not on TV. So let me know. So we cleaned up this area. Of course, you guys know this area. Got all that stuff in the auction. Yeah, the auctions are pretty cool. I paid like $5 for it, and I have screws and bolts and old tools, and I have resistors and transistors and all that down in there, and I have no clue what none of it is. But yeah, we're still running with this in the shop. And then, yes, this is a disaster, so please ignore it. We have actually cleaned up some of it, so we're gonna get this going next week. I haven't started up. Gotta make sure all my filters and everything are clean. They should be pretty clean. Chemicals right there, and of course, where your chemicals are, you want your MSDS sheets. And of course, yes, I'm still using the X1. So anybody looking for a KFX1 system, we don't sell them ourselves, but we are in contact with the distributor, the factory actually. So if you want one, you don't have to worry about being screwed over. We'll put you directly with the factory, High Colo factory. and you'll get a face like that, just like that's our custom one. We don't make nothing off it. We do it to help you guys. Not only that, with High Colo or with KFX1, we actually have a Facebook group. It's the biggest X1 group there is out there. So if you have a KFX1 and you need help with it, you need they actually come with no manuals. If you need a manual, you need help with it, get hold of us on our Facebook and we'll get you into the group. You don't have to have got one through me. It is a KFX1 group just to help any of you guys out. And my baby came out last week. We are in the process of looking for super stock. I will end up keeping this as my daily driver, but either a Demon 170 or a super stock. I think I want to go through towards a super stock just because there's so many things with the Demon 170 I'm not keen on, but I'm liking 1,000 horsepower, but I also can take my super stock to Hennessy and get 1,000 horsepower. So yeah, we'll figure it out. You guys don't know, we have a new company truck. I actually bought it this winter at an auction, actually. Redid this, took off the old badging, put that badging on. It's a Hell Bull and then a Hell Goat in the 4x4. And yeah, it's in pretty awesome shape. Right here, I already took the lettering off. Ram 1500, I just got to take the sticky off now. And I replaced it with the 345 Hemi logo. Redid all the mirrors. We put tint on it. I replaced the side mirrors. I put a small antenna on it. I redid the headlights. I redid the fog lights. I redid the grille. It had one of the squares at 2012. So if you look at the 2012s, I redid that. Of course, I have to have the RT. It's a 5.7. And Vermont actually did one of these plates. We are Vermont Strong. It's for the flood, the 2023 flood, to help flood victims, which is the flood that we were in. So of course we had to put that on our vehicle. But yeah, everything's coming along. You guys already know we got the container, storage container and everything. But like I said, I apologize that we were getting a little, actually we had no content pretty much at all. We do have a car station. We're gonna start growing a car station in between powder coating and stuff, which will be in the descriptions if you're even interested. It's different things. It's car police chases to things I'm going to be doing with my car when we get the new Challenger. Let's go over and see the signs. Our signs are actually up and the neighbor's sign is up, so it looks pretty good. Yeah, all car content. I've helped a couple people that get screwed over by dealerships. I've helped one person get money back. So yeah, everything car content. It's personally a fun thing for me. And there's our sign. So, our truck. I had somebody, okay, you guys do powder coating, right? So, well, most of you guys do. I had somebody say to me, you have a powder coating business and you let your truck get rusty like that? I want to say, motherfucker, we do not put fucking trucks in the oven. But hey, you know, what can you do when people don't have the knowledge? They have enough knowledge to run their mouth, but they don't have enough knowledge to fucking know what they're talking about, which is most people in the world. So, okay guys, I've pushed over 13 minutes. I wanted to make this a real quick segment. So like I said, if you're interested in seeing my car videos or whatever, it's actually just for fun because I'm a big car person and I enjoy doing things and helping people out and helping people when they buy cars and watch out for add-ons and watch out for interest. There's a lot of tricks dealerships do, but yeah, okay. I will see you guys on the next video. That should be a powder coating job.